Good morning kids, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So in the last video we have solved exercise number 2. We have studied about HCF, highest common factor, which is also known as GCD, greatest common divisor. Now students, in today's video I will be teaching you about LCM, least common multiple, okay? And before continuing, first take out your homeworks and match the answer from the board. Let's start students. So today we are going to study about LCM, lowest common multiple, or it is also known as least common multiple. Students, here you will be given with two or more than two numbers and you will be asked to find its LCM. Okay, least common multiple. Multiple word is clear to you, na? In the beginning of this chapter it is already explained. Suppose 2 4s are 8. For example, 2 4s are 8. So students, 8 is the multiple of 2 as well as 8 is the multiple of 4. When we multiply two numbers, the product that we get is the multiple of the given numbers. Okay students, let's come back to our topic, that is LCM. So there can be many common multiples for given numbers. Okay, for given two or more than two numbers there can be many common multiples. But you have to pick, you have to choose the smallest common multiple for the given numbers. Okay, and for that reason we use LCM. Okay, we use to find LCM, least common multiple. LCM can be found using two methods. First method is LCM by prime factorization method. Then second method, LCM by short division method. One by one we will be seeing both of these methods. But for now, just understand this much. For any given number of numbers, there can be many common multiples, but we have to choose the smallest multiple, the lowest common multiple. So for this purpose, we use LCM. One more example I will give you to make clear what I am talking about. See here. Here simply I have written the multiples of 12 and 9. Okay, I have written the multiples of 12 and 9. 12 are 12, 12 are 24, 12 are 36, 12 4 are 48 and go on. In the same manner, 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. So students, these are the multiples of 12, these are the multiples of 9. Let us circle the common multiples. Okay students, 12, 24, 36, yeah, you can see here 12 3s are 36, 9 4s are 36. Same multiples, na? Then any other multiple which is common? Yes, here we are getting 72, here also we are getting 72. And if you will multiply multiply 12 or 9 with other natural numbers, again you will get common multiples in continuation. But for example, I am just giving you examples, so we will stop here only. For now you can see I am having two common multiples for 12 and 9. One is 36 and another one is 72, which is the smallest common multiple. It is 36. So I can say that LCM of 12 and 9 is 36. Clear? But we are not going to use this method. ये तो मैंने आपको समझाने के लिए यूज किया था कि what we are going to find out, what we are talking about. What is LCM? LCM is this, the number which is the common multiple for given numbers. Understood students? We are not going to simply write the multiples and then we are going to pick the common multiple. No. This I have just made. This I have shown you just to make you understand. For this purpose, we will be using prime factorization method and short division method. To find LCM, we will use prime factorization method and short division method. Okay students, so I think the basic is clear to you. Now let us see our first method, which is LCM by prime factorization method. So students, in your textbook, exercise number 3, question number 1. Find LCM by prime factorization method. So with point A itself, I will explain you the method also and how to calculate LCM also we are going to see. So prime factors you already know how to calculate na. So here three numbers are given. I have to find out the prime factors for each of the given numbers. So let us start students. 16. 2 8s are 16. Then 2 4s are 8. Then 2 2s are 4. Finally we will get 1. Okay students. Then for 56, 2 2s are 4, 1 6, 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, then 7 1s are 7. Clear students? 88, again 2, 2 4s are 8, then 2 2s are 4, then 2 11s are 22, then 11. Got it? Now see, let us write the prime factors of the given numbers. 16 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 56 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Clear students? Then 88 equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. Okay. Like this we used to do for HCF also, na? But the change is in the next step. See, if we want to calculate the HCF for these three given number students, then what we have to do, we will simply write HCF here. Then we will see the factors which are common for all the three numbers, na? Then we will pick those factors and we will multiply and we will get the HCF. But here we are not finding HCF, but we are finding LCM, students. Okay. Now you are going to find out least common multiple. So now instead of searching and circling the common factors as for HCF, here we are going to see the prime factors which are appearing maximum number of times. Okay student, prime numbers which are appearing maximum number of times. Here see, 2 is appearing how many times? 4 times maximum, and you understand na, maximum means सबसे ज़्यादा बार. Okay, so here 2 is occurring how many times? It is appearing 4 times. Here 56, 2 is only coming 3 times and 1 7. For 88, 2 is appearing 3 times and 1 11. So maximum number of 2's is 4. Okay, maximum number of 7 is 1. Maximum number of 11 here is 1. Understood students? Here you have to, for LCM you will just take such numbers, such prime numbers which are appearing maximum number of times. Okay, so here 16 is appearing 4 times, na? So this I will be taking 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Got it? Then 7 is only appearing 1 time and 11 is appearing 1 time. So like this I will be taking the numbers, I will be taking the prime numbers and simply I will be multiplying. Now let us multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 7s are 112, 112, 11s are we have to do, students. So 112, 11s are 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1, same 112. So our final answer is 1232. So I multiplied all these numbers and I got 1232. So this number 1232 is the LCM of 16, 56 and 88. Got it students? Matlab ki when you will simply write the, if you want to test, when you will simply write the multiples of 16, 56 and 88, which will be the first common multiple? The first common multiple will only be the least common multiple, na? It will be 1232. Like this we find LCM using prime factorization method, students. What you have to do? First you have to find the prime factors for the given numbers, then you have to write the product of prime factors for each number, and then you have to see the prime numbers which are appearing maximum number of times. That number only and that many times only we are going to take. As here 2 is appearing 4 times, so that maximum number of times I have taken. 7 and 11 is appearing 1 time, so that maximum number we have taken and then we have simply multiplied. Okay, so note it down. Let's see the another question. So students, point number B, LCM for 22 and 28 I have to find out using prime factorization method. Let us quickly solve 22. So 2 11s are 22, 11 ones are 11. Okay. Then for 28 we are going to find the prime factors. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 sevens are 14, then 7 ones are 7. Then what you have to do, students? You have to write the product of prime numbers for the given number. 2 into 11 is 22. Then for 28, 2 2s are 4, 4 sevens are 28. Then we have to find the LCM. For finding the LCM, we have to underline the number, the prime numbers which are repeating maximum number of times. So here 2 is only repeating 1 time, here 2 is repeating 2 times. So which 2 is maximum? Which 2 is repeating maximum? For 28 it is 2 into 2. So here I write 2 into 2. Then let's see another number. 11 is appearing only 1 time, 7 is appearing only 1 time. So we have to take this also. Now students, 11 sevens are 77, then 2 2s are 4. 77 into 4 we have to do. So you have to do all this rough work. in your notebook. Okay, put a margin and then you can multiply and solve. So 4 7 are 28, 4 7 28, 29 30. I got 308. So students, the LCM of 22 and 28, the least common multiple for these two numbers is 308. Clear? Let us see point number E, students. Okay. So three numbers are given, no problem. Let us first find the prime factors for 36, students. 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3. Okay. Same for 144, we are going to find out using the same method. 2 sevens are 14, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 sixes are 12. Then same here also we have found the prime factors for 36. So I can simply copy. Okay. Then for 252, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 sixes are 12. Again 2, 2 sixes are 12, 2 threes are 6. Then 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3. Then 3, 3 sevens are 21, 7. Students, see prime factors I am simply solving because we have already explained you how to calculate prime factors. You should know divisibility rule, you should know how to divide the number, then simply you can do the prime factorization. Okay, prime factorization is ready. Now let us find the LCM. So first I will write the prime factorization for each number. 36 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 into 3. Okay, then for 144 we will be writing 144 equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Got it? Then for 252, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Now what is the last step? Next and the last step. It is to see the numbers which are repeating maximum number of times. Here 2 is repeating 2 times. Here 2 is repeating 4 times, and here again 2 is repeating 2 times. Which one is the maximum? Here 2 is repeated 4 times. So here I write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, let us check for the another number. 3 is repeating 2 times. Here 3 is repeated again 2 times. Here 3 is repeated 2 times. So same one 2 2 2. So what you will be doing? You will be taking 3 into 3 as common. One pair. Okay, students. Then next step is another number. Okay, then only one left, which is 7. Now we have to multiply and we'll get the LCM, students. So 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, then 3 threes are 9, then 9 sevens are 63. So I will be multiplying them. 2 twos are 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 twos are 58, then 3 sevens are 21, 1 is are 8, 1 twos are 4, 2 are 16, 2 fours are 8, 9. So I got 8, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 10. I got 1008 as the LCM of 36, 144 and 252 students. So my final answer is 1008. I hope to calculate LCM is clear to you. Note it down. So students, point number H, 42, 70, 84. I have already solved. You can see the solution. Same method we have used. And homework for this question number 1 will be C and F. C and F is your work. You have to do this homework. And still few questions will be remaining that you can simply practice. So complete this and then we are going to see question number 2. So students, question number 2 is find LCM by short division method. And first point I have taken, see students, for finding LCM by short division method also, first step will be same. First step will be same as for prime factorization method. Here also we have to take out the product of prime factors for each given numbers. Okay, but the difference between prime factorization method and short division method is only one, that is here we will not find the prime factors separately for the given numbers. Here all the three numbers together I will write, and together itself I will write their product of prime factors also. How? Let us see. So I have to write the prime factors for 16, 18 and 24, all these three numbers. But I will not divide them separately, I will write them together. See, 16, 18 and 24. Understood students? Okay, now see what I am doing. So here first I will see only the first digit. What is it? First number, what is it? 16. 16 is divisible by 2 na? You write 2 here and divide 16 with 2. 2 8s are 16. Next, see the next number 18. Is 18 divisible with 2? Yes, simply divide 2 9s are 18. 24 is also divisible, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay, then again see the first number itself. What is it? 8. So 8 is again divisible with 2. 2 4s are 8. Now students, 9. Is 9 divisible with 2? यहाँ से ध्यान से समझो. Is 9 divisible with 2? No, na? So no problem. Simply copy this 9 again. Okay, I have not divided 9 with 2 as it is not divisible. You simply copy the number. 12, yes, 2 6 are 12. Got it? Now again it is 4 which will be divisible with 2. So divide it with 2. 2 2s are 4. 9 again is not divisible. Simply copy 9. Then 2 3s are 6. Done students. Again see the first number. It is 2. So 2 1s are 2. Then copy 9 and 3 because we know that 9 and 3 are not divisible with 2. So with which number? Okay, now 1. When 1 comes, we stop doing the prime factorization. That means we got the prime factors for 16. But for 18 and 24 still the product of prime factors are not completed. Here 9 and 3 are still remaining. So now leave the first number and see the next digit. What is written here? 9. So 9 is divisible with 3. Copy 1. 3 3s are 9 and this 3 is also divisible with 3. So 3 1s are 3. Now the last number is 3 again. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. Understood students? Now for all the 3 given numbers we got the product of prime factors. Okay. Now let us solve. So here I will write LCM. Now simply copy the prime factors. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, now 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 16 9s are you are going to do, and 16 9s are how much students? 16 9s are 144. See, we got the LCM. LCM of 16, 18 and 24 is 144. Understood students? So among these two methods now, prime factorization method and short division method is little bit easier. Why easier? Because it takes less time to calculate LCM. But if you are using your prime factorization method, it is also easier, but it takes a little bit time, isn't it? So, but as mentioned in the question, in that method only you are going to find the LCM. So for short division method, what we have seen students, all the given numbers we have written together, we have taken the first number and we started dividing the first number, and if other number is also divisible with the same number, then we can divide, otherwise we can simply copy. At last, no taking common factors, no circling, simply what you have to do here, all the factors you have to write, you have to multiply, you will get the LCM. Got it students? So this was point number A noted, then we will see the next points. So students, 21, 14 and 35, okay, 21, 14, 35. So I will begin with the first number 21. 21 is divisible with 3. 3 7s are 21. 14 is not divisible. Simply copy. 35 is also not divisible with 3. Na? Simply copy. Then now see the first number is 7. But what you can do? Okay, no problem. Take 7. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 7s are 7 5s are 35. Okay. Clear students? Now again what is there? 2. So 2 1s are 2. Copy 5. Then at last divide 5 with 5. 5 1s are 5. See, we got the product of prime factors for the given numbers. Now let us find LCM. So LCM is equals to, write all the factors, 3 into 7 into 2 into 5. Got it students? 3 7s are 21. 2 5s are 10. I told you, I have explained you such multiplication where the one number is having number of zeros at the end. So what we have to do? 21 into 10. This 0 I will write in the product, and 21 1s are 21. See how simply we got the lowest common multiple For 21, 14 and 35 it is 210. Let us see the next question again. Same steps. 64, 88, 128. So I'll begin dividing with 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. Okay. Then again 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Then again 2 8s are 16, 2 11s are 22, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. Again 2 4s are 8, 11, 2 8s are 16, 2 again, 2 2s are 4, 11, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 11, 2 2s are 4. Again 2, 1, 11, 1. At last we'll divide it with 11. We'll get 1, 1 and 1. Finally LCM we are going to find. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 2. So 2 into 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 11. Got it, students? I have written the product of prime factors here. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are, okay, let us, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are will get 64, 64 2s are will get 60, 60, 120, 128, 128 into 11 I will be doing. So 128 into 11 will get, here I am doing the rough work, 1 8s are 8, 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1, again 128, 8, 9, 10, 3, 4, 1408 students, 1408. On multiplying I got 1408. Again I am repeating, you will be doing the rough work after putting the margin in your paper. Okay, at the side you can simply do the rough work. So what is the LCM for 64, 88 and 128? 1408. Note it down. Next point, point number H students, LCM of 55, 19 and 165. I have already solved this question. I got 495. Now your work is to solve point number C and E of question number 2. So students, that's all for today. I hope LCM topic is clear to you. Do the homework. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.